Alright, what's going on? Pick the Kicks back at it with another exclusive unboxing. Today I have the Vans Ward suede and canvas black and white low mid shoes to review, and I will do a on foot review as well so you can see how it looks on foot. But let's get into the video. Of course, you're gonna have the Vans printed logo tissue papers that comes with the box. Here's the shoes. You have your iconic Vans off the wall logo in the rear of the heels on the soles. Vans logo tag. Alright, so I'm gonna put this aside. Alright. So these shoes comes with your suede toe box right here. And then you have the trace line. These are the new editions. This is not the OG ones. The OG versions has a double stitching along the Vans line, but this one has a single stitching, as you can see here. And this is canvas material on the midsoles. You have suede on the rear and the back. The camera cannot pick that up, but you can see. The soles has a thick rubber material. Then you have the Vans logo on the inside. Canvas, you got the canvas tone with the Van logo on top. Shoes are super comfortable. I'm gonna show you it on foot and see how it looks. The shoes features a patent leather support around the rim of the midsole, as you can see on the inside. And it also continued that same patent leather around the shoelace holes. Sorry. The bottom of the soles has a star diamond pattern, as you can see. A gum material. So this is very smooth. This is canvas. And this is suede. So suede on the toe box. And you have the Vans logo line or trim line on the inner medial of the foot. And also, I forgot to mention, this is a sticker. So this tag is a sticker. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please like, rate, and subscribe to my channel. And please be on the lookout for more contents in the near future. I'm out.